As you can see from the background, it was ferocious. It looked like a desert. As you can see, Nala is having fun just doing her thing. The grass was looking a little better by this time. Wintertime came and this is what happened to my greenhouse. I didn't have it tacked down. On the start of this, the greenhouse was secured. We put, as you see, the floorboard. The next pick is bamboos I purchased already established. I did have a few seeds that took, but not many. This is the aloe vera that I decided to plant, and they did flourish. I wish I had after picks. The next pick is the morning glories that I planted. I love the way they look, so I planted them on the side of my greenhouse, and they started to grow inside my greenhouse. This is where I created a chill spot for me and the fur babies. The next pick is a full view of the area, and in the back you see I added a rain barrel. We decided to create a sitting area and also a hangout area, and also for my wife to smoke. Next was an idea we had to beautify this little area and to put a water fountain there for peace, you know, just to sit out, read a book, listen to the water. It was nice. Little pics are of our front yard. We decided to switch out the mulch with rocks because they last longer, they don't hold bugs, they drain better, and then you don't have stray cats using it as a litter box. Thanks for watching. This is Naturally Me, Everything DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.